Whitefield, Bangalore itself, and I have joined HICM Institute for a Certified Investment Banking course. I've learned about capital market business like equities, derivatives, bonds, debentures, and banking and financial systems as well. And apart from this, fund accounting chapters have also taught us like NAV calculation, NAV errors, reconciliation, front office, middle office, and back end office as well. In financial modeling, I have learned about more about ratio analysis, options, and IPO pricing model as well. And teachers here are very friendly, and you can ask anytime whatever the doubts you have. You can even stop them in the middle of the class. I personally took an online class, and it was very much comfortable for me because I was studying MBA as well with this course. I was someone who was not from a finance background, so right after my MBA, I did an MBA in international business. So I wanted to take my career in investment banking, so that's why I decided to choose and go with HICM Institute. So I recommend this course for other students as well who are looking to make this career in investment banking. And thank you and all the best.